How to pay hotel on Agoda. In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to pay for a hotel on Agoda. Let's get started and make your booking process smooth and easy. First things first, open the Agoda app or go to the Agoda website. Use the search bar and simply go to Agoda. Once you've opened Agoda, here you can simply search for your destination. Let's say for this tutorial, I'll want to be visiting Bali. Now simply tap on search. You can simply edit your check-in and check-out dates as well. Now browse through the available hotels and choose the one that fits your preferences and budget. Once you found your ideal hotel, let's move on to the next step. Now simply tap on see available rooms. Now what you need to do is once you're happy with your room, simply tap on book now. Now simply tap on next final step. Now here it is the main process. What you need to do is add your payment method. Just tap on the card number and simply add your credit or debit card number, the card holder name, your expiration date and more, and simply tap on book now and you can just pay through the method that you used. You can also use PayPal, Agoda Cash and bank transfer as well, and that's it. That's how you can simply pay for a hotel on Agoda.